Hello and welcome students. This is lecture on circle and in last lecture of circle different we did different types of equation of circles and we also solved problems. So what were the different types of equation of circle we did? See, first we did equation of circle in center radius form. We did the equation of circle in center radius form. After that, second we did equation of circle in standard form. Standard form. Now today I am going to teach you equation of circle in diameter form. Okay, so these two we have done. Now we are going for the third one, which we have to do. I will teach you in today's lecture equation of circle in diameter form. Equation of circle in diameter form. I will teach you this. And after that, I will teach you the equation of circle in general form. Then we will do equation of circle in general form. And after that, then we will solve few problems. That will be all. Okay, so this is the agenda for today's lecture. Let's begin. See here. So students, what are we going to do first? We are going to write the equation of circle in diameter form. We are going to write here equation of circle in diameter form. Now circle in diameter form. So let's do this equation of circle in diameter form. So what actually we have in this, see here, there is a circle, and for this circle, we know the endpoints of the diameter of the circle. We know the endpoints of the diameter of circle. So the endpoints of the diameter are, suppose this is a diameter, right? This is a diameter, and ax1, y1 are the coordinates of one extreme point of the diameter, and bx2y2 are the coordinates of another extreme point of the diameter. This is x2, y2. So what we have the diameter and we have the extreme points of the diameter. We have to find the equation of this circle. So, see students, you all know that if I join any point on the circle, suppose I take any point, for that matter, any point. It could be this point, this point, this point, any point it could be. So students, we know that if you have a point on the circle, now you join this point with the extreme points of diameter, like suppose I call this point as P. If this point I call it as P, this point is P here, and I join this point with the extremes of the diameter. So if I join it, I join P with A and P with B. I join P with A and P with B. So I know that this angle will be a right angle. This angle will be a right angle. Okay. So what I can say, you can say that diameter AB subtends 90 degrees on the circle. Okay. Now see what is important, students, here. This point, this point can be anywhere. That is to be understood. This point we could have had here. So if you had here, then AB would subtend 90 degree at this point. Then AB would subtend 90 degree at this. Then this will be 90 degree. So it is important that point P can be anywhere. You can have point P even here. So what is point P? Point P is a variable point. So I will take the coordinates of P as x comma y. Remember, point A and B, they are fixed points. They are the extremes of a diameter. What are A and B? A and B are extremes of a diameter, extreme points of a diameter. So A and B are fixed points, but point P is a variable point. So I will write here, see, I will write here, diameter AB subtends 90 degree at point P. Therefore, AP is perpendicular to BP. AP is perpendicular to BP. So what will happen? See, if AP is perpendicular to BP, then slope of AP multiplied by slope of BP is equal to -1. Slope of AP multiplied by slope of BP is -1. So students, I will find out slope of AP. See here. When you have 2 points on a line, how do you get the slope? Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. Okay, so see, I want slope of AP. So slope of AP, I will get the difference of Y coordinates. So Y minus Y1 upon X minus X1 into slope of BP. So I have coordinates of P and B. So what will be slope of BP? Again, difference of Y coordinates. Y minus Y2 upon X minus X2 equals to -1. So what you have therefore, see, Y minus Y1 into Y minus Y2. See, I'm multiplying these numerators, This will get multiplied. See, this will get multiplied with this. So Y minus Y1 into Y minus Y2 divided by X minus X1 into X minus X2 is equal to -1. Now this denominator will multiply here, cross multiply. So when it cross multiplies, what do you get? You will get therefore Y minus Y1 into Y minus Y2 is equal to minus of X minus X1 into X minus X2. Okay, now I shift everything on the left hand side. So when I shift on the left hand side, I get X minus X1 into X minus X2. I shift everything on the left hand side. So see, when I'm shifting this whole thing on the left hand side, what will happen? That will become positive. Plus, already I have this term plus Y minus Y1 into Y minus Y2 is equal to 0. This is what I will get. Okay, this is what? This is known as equation of the circle in diameter form. This is equation of circle in diameter form. This is equation of circle in diameter form. In this, what happens? Any one diameter, you are given the extremities. So, say the extremities are x1, y1, x2, y2. So, what will be the equation of the circle? X minus x1, see, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. Equals to 0. Please write this